Hi, I'm Nick. I'm 16 years old. Now I'm learning in college. I love this. My study is going very well. I have an interesting life, that's it. Sure, I want to be a businessman. I want to have my own hotel, and now I'm learning in this, like working with people like sphere of tourism. I think that in future I will connect with many people from different countries, and language, especially English, that's very important, because how would I get what they want without this? I must understand them. Okay, I was learning English like for 8 years. 8 years, and first 7 gave me very primitive and small base. After that, my mom has found me a good teacher, Max. And after that, we have classes for 1 year, maybe plus 2 months, and we have huge progress. I got succeed because of that. I think you must dream to be a master of your language.